Yes, you can swim with your Fitbit Sense and Sense 2. Both have a 5 ATM water resistance rating, meaning they can withstand pressure equivalent to 50 meters of water for up to 10 minutes. This makes them suitable for swimming, snorkeling, and shallow diving. 5 ATM water resistance means the Fitbit Sense is tested to withstand water pressure equivalent to a depth of 50 meters. This rating represents about 73 pounds per square inch of pressure, making it suitable for everyday swimming activities. To visualize this, imagine a column of water 50 meters high. The pressure at the bottom equals 5 atmospheres, which the device can handle for short periods. Remember, this is a pressure rating, not a depth guarantee. While safe for swimming pools and calm waters, avoid high-velocity water sports that could cause impact damage. The Fitbit Sense is ideal for lap swimming in pools, where the steady and controlled movements allow the device to track metrics accurately without excessive pressure changes. Water aerobics classes are another great fit, as the calm, group-based activities in shallow pools keep water pressure stable and suitable for the 5 ATM rating. Open water swims in calm conditions, like lakes or gentle ocean areas, work well as long as depths stay within the 50-meter limit and without extreme waves. The Fitbit Sense is generally not recommended for surfing or high-impact water sports due to potential sudden pressure changes that could exceed the 5 ATM rating. Also avoid hot showers exceeding 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius, as excessive heat can degrade the device's seals over time. The Fitbit Sense tracks several key metrics while swimming, including heart rate, skin temperature, and blood oxygen levels. Heart rate monitoring provides beats per minute data, while skin temperature and blood oxygen levels help assess overall physiological response during water activities. However, metric accuracy can sometimes vary, especially in cold water, because the sensors require optimal contact with the skin for reliable readings. To improve performance, AI algorithms are used to enhance water detection and automatic workout logging. After swimming, always rinse your Fitbit Sense with fresh water to remove any residue. This is especially important after exposure to salt water, as residue can cause skin irritation and potentially affect sensor sensitivity. Avoid using soaps or harsh chemicals, as they can erode the silicone bands and damage the device. Many users successfully track swims with the Fitbit Sense. Olympic triathlete Gwen Jorgensen reported accurate pace and heart rate data during training swims in Hawaii's rough waters, logging over 50 laps without any water ingress issues. However, some users have experienced skin irritation after prolonged saltwater exposure. This underscores the importance of rinsing the device with fresh water after ocean swims to remove salt residue and prevent skin reactions. Failures can occur if using the Sense for snorkeling or diving beyond the 50-meter depth limit. Rare reports from deep-sea activities have led to water damage, prompting Fitbit to clarify ratings and offer warranty replacements for such misuse. Tech reviewers and Fitbit engineers confirm the 5 ATM rating is suitable for everyday swimmers. Wall Street Journal reviewer Joanna Stern praises its robustness for pool sessions, while Fitbit's own engineers, in a 2024 Reddit AMA, verified its safety for up to 30 minutes at 50 meters. Health expert Dr. Jennifer Heiss recommends the Sense for tracking swim-based cardio, noting improved mental health data from its sensors. Fitbit's 2025 user analytics show 40% of Sense owners engage in water-based activities monthly, with 95% reporting no waterproof issues. A 2024 Consumer Reports survey found only 2% of Sense devices experienced water damage, lower than the industry average of 5%. The wearable tech industry is rapidly moving towards enhanced water resistance, with devices achieving higher ATM ratings for deeper and more varied water activities. Competitors like Garmin and Apple have already released models with 10 ATM ratings, allowing for deeper diving and more extreme water sports compared to current 5 ATM devices. Fitbit is expected to follow suit, potentially reaching 10 ATM ratings in future Sense models to compete in the growing market for waterproof wearables. Future models will feature improved AI-driven water detection algorithms and the use of sustainable, eco-friendly materials for better durability and environmental responsibility.